Impact investing faces a recurring friction point, the choice between trusting self-reported estimates or requiring the verified data of actual enterprise growth. End-of-cycle survey data relies heavily on human memory and the natural tendency to present a successful narrative to funders. This creates a structural unreliability when tracking the commercial success of microenterprises. To address this data friction, the MasterCard Foundation deployed the PQI Innovation Hub Network in Ghana as an operational test case. This map shows the program's geographic reach, identifying the 4 incubation centers active in the network: Accra, Ho, Kumasi, and Tamale. The current cohort includes 304 entrepreneurs, all initially supported through traditional incubation methods. Traditional models that combine grant funding with business advice often struggle to prove their value. Without a mechanism for rigorous, ongoing verification, the actual impact of that capital remains an estimate rather than a fact. The solution developed for the PQI Hub Network is the MentorConnect platform, a digital operational command layer. Instead of asking entrepreneurs to recall their progress months after the fact, this digital infrastructure requires them to log activity as it happens, creating a continuous and verifiable audit trail. The platform currently tracks 203 active users, comprising 183 entrepreneurs, 16 mentors, and 2 administrators. The critical metric for verifying these businesses is financial discipline. Currently, 57 of these entrepreneurs have activated the system's business finance module. Moving from post-incubation surveys to real-time digital verification allows the program to measure success based on commercial reality. This side-by-side comparison illustrates the gap between optimistic survey estimates and verified platform reality. Surveys estimate a 75 to 80% success rate. However, platform data confirms 22 of 57 businesses, 39%, are profitable. Survey respondents reported an estimated average monthly revenue of 33,562 Ghanaian cedis. The platform records a total all-time earned revenue of 96,386 cedis for the verified cohort, substantiated by tracking 792 individual financial transactions. While surveys estimated a customer base of over 270, the platform provides a verified count of 103 formally registered customers. Beyond finances, the system verifies engagement by logging 366 session bookings across 11 published mentoring sessions. This discrepancy indicates that narrative-based estimates can mask the granular operational realities needed to accurately measure program impact. The platform establishes a system of engineered accountability, replacing informal mentoring with trackable workflows. For example, the pre-session accountability check-in tool requires entrepreneurs to articulate their goals and operational blockers before they can meet with a mentor. This pipeline tracks the growth capital readiness score, categorizing the cohort into early stage, developing, and strong tiers. The score uses a 100-point algorithm to evaluate businesses across 8 indicators, including profitability, record-keeping consistency, and capital efficiency. The early stage tier contains 45 businesses, scoring between 1 and 39. They show activity but lack significant revenue. The developing tier includes 8 businesses scoring 40 to 69, building revenue foundations but requiring further mentoring. In the strong tier, 3 elite businesses score between 70 and 100. These demonstrate consistent profitability and are ready for immediate growth investment. These incubation accountability mechanisms are built directly into MentorConnect's architecture, providing a level of visibility that standard business management tools do not capture by default. This dashboard highlights the highest performing enterprise within the strong tier, Elroy Bakery in Accra, with a readiness score of 88. The system tracks 66,755 cedis in all-time earned revenue for the bakery. Records show the program provided an initial seed investment of 7,644 cedis. By comparing the revenue to the seed funding, the system identifies a capital efficiency of 8.73x. That return is substantiated by 389 transaction records and 28 registered customers over 8 active months on the platform. For comparison, Susser's Images in Accra scored 76 and achieved a 1.14x capital return. Afunde Millicent in Tamale scored 72, with a 0.94x return on capital. The data suggests that these outliers are the result of the consistent application of the funding plus mentorship model, which allows every unit of capital and hour of advice to be tracked against a verified return. This digital framework manages decentralized geographic locations without losing data fidelity. The verified distribution includes 108 users in Accra, 29 in Ho, 31 in Kumasi, and 26 in Tamale. The 57 finance-activated businesses are distributed across all 4 centers, confirming that the digital architecture functions successfully outside the capital city. To manage this scale, the platform utilizes an SROI dashboard that calculates social return on investment. The dashboard aggregates qualitative mentorship inputs and converts them into quantifiable outputs like net profit and capital return. Automating this aggregation provides hub administrators with a live operational command layer, reducing the need for manual report compilation. This case study highlights the recurring problem of relying on survey-based monitoring and evaluation in international development. But integrating tools like the invoice builder and product catalog directly into the incubation process, the platform bridges the gap between informal trading and structured market participation. The PQI Hub Network's primary contribution is a scalable data infrastructure that validates the progress of every enterprise in the cohort. This design provides impact investors and program leaders with audited evidence of enterprise viability and youth economic empowerment. The shift from narrative estimates to engineered, data-backed operational realities establishes a methodology for verifying economic development outcomes in emerging markets.